Today we're going to be tasting a fairly unknown Belgian triple called Herkenrode. Looks thusly. It's a fairly unimpressive bottle and label. Never seen it before. It comes from a brewery that's in the very northeast tip of Belgium. It's very bubbly. Got a decent amount of head on it. And some decent crusties in it. I decided to go ahead and do a beer tasting today anyway, despite the fact that I have just gotten back to Belgium and I'm exhausted, but I can't go to sleep because it's still middle of the afternoon. It's now, I made it to 3:30, and if I go to bed now, then I'll just wake up at like 1 or something, which would not be good for tomorrow. So I wasn't going to do a beer tasting, but figured what the heck. Plus, I probably will go to bed in about an hour and a half. I don't think I can hold out any longer than that. And I thought this would kind of slide right in there. So, fairly typical triple color. Sort of a dark gold. It's got a lot of residual yeast floating around in there. Smells like a triple. Nothing outstanding there. Not good at all. Yeah, it's a very, I'm going to try to let it sit there and take another couple of sips, but it's a very harsh flavor for a triple. Not the usual hint of sweetness that you get in a triple, and not the relative smoothness that you normally get in a triple. This has got like a bite, slight metallic, and not good. Yeah, I don't know what exactly happened or is going on here. I don't know if it's old or if it's just a sucky beer. No, it's not expired or anything like that. I've decided that it just sucks. Yeah, I don't know if I can say anything else about it. It hits you at first and the aftertaste lingers with the same nastiness. But I'm willing to allow that maybe I got a bad bottle. I looked it up on Rate Beer and it doesn't have a good rating, but it's not a terrible rating. But I would say it's fairly terrible. Any redeeming quality at all. This is a 7% alcohol beer, which I think that's on the tad on the low end for a triple. I'm not sure. Okay, it's a little less harsh now than it was the first couple of sips, but it's still not. It's not a good beer. And in the land called Beer Heaven, or Belgium, there's no reason to drink a beer this bad. So, you know, it was a good try, but will not be a repeat. I give the beer I'll give it a C minus. It's taming just a bit from what it was those first couple of sips, so that brings it up to a C minus. Otherwise, I would have just given it a flat out F, I think. So yeah, wow. Herkenrode, what a way to welcome me back to Belgium with a crappy beer. Hopefully tomorrow's beer will be a little better.